Hi, welcome to another 2-minute hot sauce review. Um, I said I wasn't going to eat extract anymore, but I want the clicks. Don't judge me. So I got a bottle while I was at a cool novelty store. I impulse bought it. Mad Dog 357 with 6 million Scoville pepper extract. And I'm doubly concerned because I think I don't think it's going to taste very good. And I'm not being judgy, it's just extract doesn't taste very good. And this is gonna be like, it's gotta be hot, surely. I mean, look, it was $20, so it has to be hot, right? And so we're gonna, you, me, and Adolf Coors are gonna venture into the unknown, through the looking glass, into hell. It's it smells like chemicals. Okay, that's plenty. Okay, what's in here real quick? Vinegar first, chili extract. Really? Evaporated cane juice. So the first three ingredients are vinegar, chili extract, and sugar juice. Habanero, garlic, onion, uh, cayenne peppers, spices, and xanthan gum. So we got preservatives and chili extract in a $20 bottle of novelty hot sauce that it doesn't smell good. But here we go. We're gonna do it. I detect. I'm being straight with you. I don't detect anything but chemical. I can't even detect vinegar. It's just chemical, like paint. That is hot. The flavor. This is very hot, but it tastes like catastrophically bad. Yeah, there's nothing to see here. I hate that I glorified this. Oh my god. I don't encourage this kind of thing. Ah. That really doesn't help. Ah. This is real hot. Oh god. So yeah, it tastes like just awful, terrible, awful. It's making me drool. Oh boy. Yeah. Don't bother. Ah! That's really hot. Like, that's. It's been, honestly, 15 minutes, maybe 20. And I am in flames. I hereby disclaim, by opening this bottle, Any and all claims, actions, and lawsuits that I or any of my dependents, heirs, family members, or legal representatives may have against any party relating to any damage or injury that results or is alleged to have resulted from the use, consumption, ingestion, contact, or other use of or from the product. And no nutrition facts. These things should tell you this is not food. It's not. This is not a hot sauce review. This is a video of a man ingesting chemicals. And that's kind of sad. I implore you, on my tiny little platform, especially you Howlands, don't encourage this stuff. Chili peppers are so delicious. It's so awesome. And they hurt plenty on their own. If you're in this just to get hurt, I don't get you. It's kinda, I'm fine with getting lit up, but it's gotta taste good too. And the real honest truth is that this doesn't taste good at all. So, I have to say, this actually tastes worse than Dave's Insanity sauce. And that's saying something. And so, you see how upset my dog is about this hot sauce? Can you hear it? I bet you can. She's an old chihuahua. I can't calm her down when she gets upset. She hates extract too. Anyway, you want to buy this? Nope. Especially not for $20. This whole mess is going right in my trash can. And that's kind of sad. Because that'll be only the second hot sauce I haven't kept and kept eating that I reviewed. This and Dave's Insanity sauce. Extract sucks. Don't do it. Look at me. Don't do it. It's dumb. Eat a Carolina Reaper. Well, there's plenty of hot. Believe me. Don't bother with this stuff. Don't advertise it. Don't click on it. Don't like it. It's got extract in it. It's made by people that don't understand food. That's kind of sad. Don't let them dominate our industry, please. Anyway, this has been another more than 2-minute industrial chemical review. Thank you for watching Chili Chunn. Please click subscribe. Tell me your thoughts on this kind of thing. Did you like extract? Do you think it tastes good? Just let me know. Maybe some people do. Anyway, I appreciate you. I love you guys that keep watching. Thank you. And I got something new next time.